Hey, Anukool here from TheAIMarketingSchool, where we turn marketing into money, quick. If you've ever wondered how to go from zero to hero in the world of business without taking decades to get there, then buckle up. I'm about to break down the exact steps I would take to become a millionaire in the next 12 months. And I'm not talking about fantasy tips. I'm talking about real, actionable strategies that are so effective, they'll have you looking at your bank account a whole lot differently. Ready to build your digital empire? Let's dive in. All right, first things first, you need a high income skill. And no, it's not something you learn in a college classroom or from the latest TikTok trend. I'm talking about something that's in demand. High value skills like coding, content creation, copywriting, sales, or project management. These are the skills that make people pay you serious money. I learned my first high income skill in a rehab center of all places. Crazy story, right? I was stuck, recovering from my past mistakes, but I found this old Java programming book. Fast forward, and coding became my ticket to freedom. From building apps to freelance gigs, I turned that skill into a career. The point here? It's not where you start, it's what you learn. Learn a skill, and your income follows. Watch out. Don't just learn it, use it. Offer free services to gain experience and testimonials. Trust me, the more you practice, the quicker you'll see the cash flow in. If you're still thinking, I can't learn coding, that's for nerds. Let me tell you, anyone can learn it. I did it in rehab with zero tech experience. So if I can, you sure can. Month 2? Learn, don't earn. This means obsessing over your skill before you start charging people. I was writing code for free, building websites, creating apps, and doing everything I could to practice. I didn't care about money at first, I cared about being the best. Here's the trick. Once you're good, you'll get paid. So, get results for someone fast. Don't ask for payment right away. Show them your worth. I did everything from building a website for my dad to burning CDs for my friends. Yep, dating myself here. What happened next? They came back asking for more, and that's when I started charging. Here's a little secret. People don't care if you're new at something. If you show results, they'll pay you for them. The faster you deliver, the quicker they pay. Now, let's talk about the game changer, getting your first paying client. Don't just sit there waiting for someone to magically find you. Be proactive. I landed my first client with a simple offer, burning CDs for their music playlist. I did the first one for free to show them the value. After that, I got paid. Here's the secret sauce. Always demonstrate value first, then ask for a follow-up job and payment. Once you get the ball rolling, you'll be amazed at how quickly clients come to you. Watch out. Don't be shy about charging after your first freebie. People value what they pay for. If they don't pay, they won't respect your work. So be bold when it's time to ask for the money. You can't build a portfolio without doing work first, so just do it. Demonstrate your skill, and the clients will come. And remember, confidence is key. You're not asking for a favor. You're offering a service. Month 4? Build your marketing pipeline. This is the part where you take your skill and shout about it to the world. And hey, don't just whisper about it. Publish. Get on podcasts, collaborate with influencers, write blog posts, or even do joint webinars. Your job is to get as many people to know about your skill as possible. Here's the deal. You can't sell to an empty room. If no one knows who you are, you can't expect sales. So go where your audience is. Partner with people who already have the audience you want to talk to. The more people you reach, the faster your business will grow. The 4 Ps of marketing: publish, pay, partner, PR. Don't skip any of them if you want to go viral. Each one builds on the last. Get out there and get your name known. Okay, you're busy, you're getting clients, you're learning new skills. But here's the thing. If you're doing everything yourself, you're working against yourself. At some point, you need to buy back your time. How? Hire an assistant. I used to handle everything from sorting mail to answering customer questions. It was draining, but then I hired my first assistant, Lisa, and boom, I had hours back in my week. Audit your schedule, transfer tasks to your assistant, and fill your time with money-making activities like sales, learning, or building new products. Your first hire should be someone who handles the stuff you hate. It's not about fancy roles. It's about getting those boring, low-reward tasks off your plate so you can focus on growing your business. Okay, if you've stuck around this long, here's a super insider secret. You need to learn how to sell. Nothing happens until you sell something, and that's where a lot of people fall short. They can write code, create great content, and market like pros, but they freeze when it comes to selling. My tip? Think of selling less like closing a deal and more like enrolling someone into your world. It's all about building confidence in them and yourself. And hey, if this all sounds like a lot of work, don't worry, you're in the right place. Stick with me, and I'll simplify every step for you. So, what's your get money quick idea? Drop it in the comments below, and I'll let you know what I think. Good idea or not so good idea. And hey, if you're serious about stacking up those digital dollars, hit that subscribe button right now. Join me every week for actionable tips, real-world strategies, and a ton of energy to fuel your hustle. All right, let's recap. Step 1, learn a high-income skills. Step 2, get obsessed and learn more on earning. Step 3, land your first paying client by delivering results. Step 4, build a marketing pipeline that get noticed. And Step 5, hire an assistant to free up the time and scale your business. Remember, in digital marketing and business, the smartest work wins. So keep learning, keep earning alone. And if you want to dive even deeper into marketing strategies, head over to TheAIMarketingSchool.com, your one-stop destination for next-level business tactics. Catch you next time.